Hello everyone. Today we are going to start the new topic of our rational numbers, that is addition of rational number. Now what is mean by addition of rational number? How to do it, that we will see now. So simply in the fractions also you have studied in the 5th standard how to do the addition. Okay, same way we will do it. So addition of rational numbers. So if denominators are equal, in that how we will do the addition? 2 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Okay, if like that number is there, so if denominators are equal, that means it is like term. So directly we can do the addition. So 2 plus 3 upon 4, it is 5 upon 4. This is a rational number, right? So when we are doing the addition of two rational numbers in the form of equal denominators, if denominators are equal, so in that case we can do directly addition. Okay, then in case if denominators are unequal, so how you will do it? If like that number is there, so here you can see that 3 and 4 are the denominator which are unequal. So here you have to find out the LCM. So LCM of this is 12, right? So after finding the LCM, just solve the example. So what number we will multiply to 3 to get the answer 12? We will multiply 4 plus what number we will multiply to 4 to get the answer 12? We will multiply 3 and numerator also 3 equals to. Now 2 4s are 8 upon 12 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 12. Now do the addition because we got the denominators equal now. So we can solve the addition. So the answer will be 17 upon 12. Okay. So in this way you can solve the example of addition of the rational numbers. Now let us start the subtraction of the rational numbers. So in subtraction also same thing is there, equal denominators and unequal denominators. So in that case how you will solve the example? Suppose it is 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 4. Okay, so in that case you have to see the denominators are equal, so directly we can do the subtraction of the sum. So answer is 1 upon 4. Okay, now if the denominators are unequal, so in that case same method LCM we have to follow here. Okay, so now LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So LCM is 6. So 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2. Because 3 multiplied by 2 we are getting 6. Same way here 2 into 3 6. That is why I have multiplied by 3. So just now multiply it. 6 2s are 12 upon 6 minus 9 3s are 27 upon 6. Right? Now do the subtraction of this. You have to see the negative sign and greater number sign, and then you have to calculate the answer. So it will be 12 minus 27 upon 6. So answer will be, so 6 will be common over here, okay, because it is equal. So 7 minus 2 is 5 and 2 minus 1 is 1, and answer will be negative 15 upon 6. Okay, so in that way you can solve the example of subtraction. If equal denominators are there, if unequal denominators are there, depending on the condition you have to go for the solution. Okay, now let us start with the multiplication of rational number. Multiplication of rational numbers, in that we can just see the numbers what are given here. No need to see the denominator or numerator, whatever is there, we have to just simplify it. So if the number is 4 upon 2 multiplied by negative 6 upon 3, if like that number is there, so you can directly multiply numerator and denominator. And if possible, if it is simplified, then you can just simplify that and then afterwards you can multiply it. So for that purpose, here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So like that we can simplify, and then at last we will get 2 multiplied by negative 2, and downside is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. So it will be negative 4. So sign you have to keep attention. What sign is given, according to that you write the answer. Okay. So simply you can do in this way multiplication. Now let us learn about the division of rational numbers. So how you will do the division of rational numbers? So here we have the example 4 upon 25 divided by 3 upon 5. So always keep in mind, in division, suppose A upon B divided by C upon D is there. So in that case, A upon B you keep as a stable and put instead of division multiplication and make the reciprocal of this. So it will be D upon C. Okay. In that way you can go for the solution of this now. So 4 upon 25 will be as it is, multiply by 5 upon 3, reciprocal of this. Okay, only the change is like that. Instead of division you put here multiplication and make the reciprocal of the number, that is 5 upon 3. Now whether it is simplified or not, according to the multiplication, same way we have to go through that. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. Now what is remaining? 4 into 1 upon 5 into 3. So the answer is 4 upon 50. So in this way you can solve the examples of the division. Now listen, my dear children, if any of the numerical is given, so in that if it is required multiplicative inverse of the number. So multiplicative inverse means what? Suppose the number is A multiplied by B equals to C. So when number is multiplied here, it goes here and gets divided. So A equals to, it will be C upon B. And multiplicative inverse is nothing but if multiplies there, then it goes to divide. Okay. So like that we can do the multiplicative inverse of any number. It's nothing but only to make the reciprocal of any number. Suppose the number is now A upon B, and suppose here negative A is there. So reciprocal of this, inverse of this will be D upon negative A. Okay, sign will be as it is. It will not affect anything. But you have to just only do the inverse of that. Means it is not like that. If negative is there and positive will become no. Here division and multiplication only, that change will be there. So it will become B upon A, that will be having the negative sign as it is. Okay, so this is the multiplicative inverse. So now let us start the different type of the example, like what should be added to negative 5 upon 9 to get negative 5 upon 6. So what should be added to this number to get this answer? So for that purpose we can consider the number as x. Okay, so let the number be x. Okay, now what should be added to this? We will add x. So it will become negative 5 upon 9 plus x to get answer is negative 5 upon 6. To get this as answer, what should be added? That I have considered as x. Now we can go for the solution. Therefore x equals to, now this negative is there. So negative 5 upon 9 will go this side and it will become as positive. So negative 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 9. Now here we have learned in addition. We cannot do the addition if the denominators are unequal. So now we will make the denominators equal and we have to find out the LCM for that. So the LCM will be 18. Right? Now after finding the LCM we can make the denominators equal. So 6 into 3. Same number I will multiply to numerator. Plus 5 upon 9 multiply by 2. Same multiply to the numerator. Now find out the answer. 5 3 is a 15. Sign will be negative as it is. Plus 10 upon 18. So now we can take out as 18 as common. So 15 plus 10 upon 18. So negative sign is there, positive is there, operation will be negative and sign will be also negative to the answer because greater number sign is 15 negative. Okay, 15 sign is negative, so it will be negative 5 upon 18. So this is the answer, and in this way you have to read the question in a proper way, consider the value x and then go for the solution as we have done in addition, subtraction or division, multiplication. According to that you go for the solution. Now we'll go for the next type of the example, that is the product of two rational numbers is 12 upon 5. If one of the number is negative 6 upon 7, find the other. Simple way, we will do the consideration of x. So it will be, let the number be x. And what they told, product of two rational number is that. So product of two rational number means one is this and one is this. So product of that multiply by negative 6 upon 7, therefore equals to 12 upon 5. Now here if it is multiplied, when it will go this term to this side, it will divide. So therefore x equals to 12 upon 5 divided by negative 6 upon 7. Now you have to just make it reciprocal as we are doing the process of this. Therefore in division we are making the reciprocal and putting the negative sign, multiply sign. So it will be 7 upon negative 6. Therefore x equals to, now here we can simplify it. 6 ones are 6, 2s are 12, right? Now 2 into 7 upon 5 into negative 1. So it will be 14 upon negative 5. This is the answer. Okay, so it's nothing different, very difficult. Only understand the question and make the arrangement of the solution. Okay, so this was about rational numbers. So we have completed the lesson. Please my dear children, go through the exercise and solve maximum questions. Thank you.